Welcome to my channel. I'm trying to make paneer butter masala today. So let's look at our ingredients. So we need 2 tomatoes, 2 onions, and green chilies. Right now I just have 1 tomato, so I'll be using the tomato soup which I have for the rest of the flavor. What we're going to do is we're going to put all of this in the instant pot and pressure cook it for a while, and then grind it and make a thick consistency out of it, which will be our base of the curry. Okay, let's do that. So we have turned on our instant pot. Let's saute it for a minute. Make sure your base is empty. Since you're gonna pressure cook it, your base needs to have some water before you put the stuff inside it. All right, it's 1 minute. I'm pouring two cups of water in the base. I need 1 more cup. Now I'm gonna take our ingredients and put them in the instant pot. We have onions, tomatoes, green chilies. We also need some cashews. Like we can have like 10 of them. So here I have the rest of the ingredients as well. I have some cashews, cinnamon stick, cardamoms, cloves. So we are going to put all of this stuff in the instant pot. So all of them right now are immersed in water. One tip here is I did not actually cut onions or tomatoes into smaller pieces because we are going to grind them. So it's just saves time for you guys. Yeah, so we are going to pressure cook it for 7 minutes, and then we are going to grind it and make it into a paste. So let's do that. Sorry guys, filming it on phone, so probably it might be shaking sometimes, okay? So put the lid on the instant pot, make sure this is on venting, sealing mode. Turn the pressure cook mode on, cancel the saute mode, turn the pressure cook on, and keep the timer to 7 minutes. So it has completed 7 minutes, so I'm gonna cancel it, and then push the knob to the venting mode to release the pressure. So we have the stuff pressure cooked for 7 minutes. Now I'm gonna transfer these ones to a grinder and make it into a paste. We're gonna grind this stuff out into a thick paste. So this is how it looks once it gets grinded into a fine paste. Just make sure we have just a paste, so we're going to remove all the other contents in this paste and have it and get it stored inside a lid. So I'm just pouring these contents and into a lid and making sure I don't have all the raw ones. Alright, getting back to the cooking right now in the instant pot again once we have our paste ready, our puree ready here. So we're gonna turn on the saute mode here and put some butter in the base. I have 2 spoons of butter here. Make sure once the butter is completely melted, and then use the saute mode to the low. The butter is completely melted. I'm switching back the saute mode to low. Now we're gonna add some chili powder. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of chili here. You guys can add based on your preferences. Give a mix for the base. Now we are going to add our puree back into the instant pot. So I'm adding some basil tomato soup since we had only one tomato in our puree. And I think that should be good. Mix this contents up and wait for 2 more minutes, and then we'll add some spices and put our paneer back into the instant pot. The base like every 2 minutes so that the contents don't get burned up. Now I'm gonna add some salt and coriander powder. Add some salt to taste. I'm adding some coriander powder. These are all optional, guys. If you don't have them, it's fine. I just added because I have them and it gives a very good taste. Adding some cumin powder as well. I'm not measuring this, it's basically 1 or 2 tablespoons of it. Mix up the contents and give it 2 more minutes, and then we'll add the paneer back into this base. To enhance the flavor, I'm just adding some Kasuri Methi leaves as well. You guys don't have to do this. This is just an optional thing. So I have the paneer finely chopped into 1-inch cubes, and I think this is about 200 to 300 grams of paneer. Chop it into equal size cubes, and then we'll transfer this into the instant pot. Alright, it's the time to drop in our paneer to the instant pot. Make sure you drop one by one and don't spill the contents. I'm not being very careful here, but yeah, serves the purpose, right? Yeah, now just coat the puree on the paneer pieces. Now we are gonna close the lid and let it cook for 10 minutes on the low instant pot. So I'm going to just cover this instant pot with the lid and just put a timer for 10 minutes and let it cook. Back after 10 minutes, and that should do it, guys, and maybe a couple of more minutes, but that's it. Make sure you stir the contents every 2 minutes so that base doesn't get burned out. And do it very slowly. The paneer should be intact, it should not become a paste. Alright guys, we are nearing 10 minutes and this is how our paneer butter masala is looking right now. It looks very yummy. Let me transfer the, we're almost done. I don't have cilantro, you can guess if you guys have it. Just drop it in after 10 minutes just to add extra flavor. So this is our final product. I took some contents into a bowl. It looks very yummy. I'm gonna eat it with rice. So I'm gonna have the paneer butter masala with rice. I'm very hungry right now. I hope you guys followed the video. Please leave in the comments if you want any new recipes, or if you like it, just give a thumbs up. Thank you.